Well, hi Bay East. Today we are going to talk about realtor marks, why they matter, and how to use them correctly. Have you ever wondered why the word realtor is written in all caps with that little registered trademark symbol? Or why the National Association of Realtors is so protective of the realtor name and logo? Today we're going to talk about what the realtor marks mean, what they are, why they matter, and how to make sure you're using them correctly. What are the realtor marks? The realtor marks include the realtor logo, the term realtor, the term realtors, the term realtor associate. These are not generic real estate terms. They're membership marks that identify members of the National Association of Realtors. Why are the realtor marks important? When consumers see realtor, it means something specific. It tells them they're working with a real estate professional who is a member of NAR and has pledged to follow the Realtor Code of Ethics. The marks represent professionalism, integrity, and a commitment to serving clients and communities at the highest level. They're more than a logo or a title, they're a promise. Protected by law, because of their value and meaning, the realtor marks are protected by federal trademark law. NAR's trademark rules help ensure that the marks continue to represent membership, professionalism, and ethical conduct. Protecting the marks help protect the value of realtor membership for everyone. The easy way to check yourself? The member test. Not sure whether you're using realtor correctly? Try the member test. Simply place the word realtor with the word member. If the sentence still makes sense, you're probably using the mark correctly. For example, I am a realtor becomes I am a member. That works. But if the sentence doesn't make sense to you when you substitute member, you may need to rethink about how you're using the mark. What happens when non-members use the marks? Unfortunately, some non-members inappropriately use realtor in advertising, websites, social media, profiles, domain names, and marketing materials. When that happens, NAR works to protect the marks by requiring the unauthorized use to stop and the marks to be removed. This helps preserve the integrity and meaning of the realtor for members and consumers alike. The realtor name is one of the most valuable benefits of your membership. Using it correctly helps strengthen the brand, protects consumers, and reinforces the professionalism that sets realtors apart. If you have questions about the realtor marks or trademark rules, contact NAR's Legal Affairs team at trademark@nar.realtor. Thanks for watching, and thank you for helping protect the realtor brand. Bye, Bay East.